In this video, I'm going to answer one question. Is it too late for Kindle publishing? Yes, it is. Hey everybody, I'm Mecca here and from my self-publishing blueprint, and I want to answer this question. Is it too late for Kindle publishing? What do you think? 2018, April, too late? Yes? No? Of course not. I see this question pop up at the beginning, the first few months of every new year. Okay, is it too late for Amazon FBA? Is it too late for Shopify? Is it too late to start a YouTube channel? Is it too late to start a blog? It's too late to start a brand new newspaper, okay? It's too late for that. But it's not too late for Kindle publishing. It's not too late to Amazon FBA or Shopify or whatever it is that you're looking for, but it's not too late for any of those things. Now, when was the best time to start, Kindle publishing? Well, it goes like that saying, when's the best time to plant a tree? Well, like 50, 100 years ago. When's the second best time? Right now. Get into Kindle publishing today. Don't wait. The longer you wait, you're just putting off making more money. Kindle publishing is as strong today as it ever has been, okay? The only difference is this. 3-4 years ago, it was a lot easier to make money because there were certain loopholes and certain tricks and things that you could do because it was a new platform and Amazon was still learning. So people were out there taking advantage of it and literally filling up their pockets with Amazon's money, essentially stealing from Amazon. Today's Kindle publishing takes a bit more skill. It takes more of a precise method. It takes a little bit more patience, and I'll be honest, it's going to take a little bit more money to get started than it did back in the day. Can you really publish a book that costs you $50 or $100? No, you can't. Well, you can, but it's not going to make you any money. You got to spend a little bit more because now Amazon and the marketplace is looking for more quality books. Back in the day, you might be watching YouTube videos and people making this and that, but publishing those $50 books that were, written overseas and just, it was the garbage, that is not what you can get away with anymore. You have to publish quality materials. You have to invest in, oh my gosh, a quality cover, right? Anywhere from $5 to $25 will get you a phenomenal cover to get you started with, okay? So quality books, quality cover, and then you have to learn how to market and rank it properly. It's not as easy as just throwing the book up on Amazon like it was back in 2012, 13, 14, even 15. Throwing the book up on Amazon and you were gonna get sales coming in because the market was so small, not a ton of people were doing it yet. So you could literally have a book on, dog feces, throw it up on Amazon and they would pay you handsomely for that type of book. But that's not the case in 2018. You have to produce quality books. You have to learn how to market those books a little bit better than just picking a flashy, sexy keyword, so to speak, and hoping for the best. Keywords are still important in 2018, but you also have to learn some other things that are going to allow you to market that book and ensure it brings in income long term. Now, can you still go out and make $10,000? Like I said, it's April 2018. Can you still go out and make 10K a month with Kindle publishing? Yes, of course you can. There's tons and tons of people doing that today and people making a killing more. It's a different method than it was, 3-4 years ago. And on that note, it's not just Kindle. Venturing outside of Amazon to Ingram Sparks, Draft to Digital, Smashwords. We're also talking Create Spaces and ACX as well, but taking your book and making sure it's available on all the different platforms. So people who are reading books through iBooks are able to get your book and you get paid for that. Google Play is one that I use as well. So it's not just the Amazon only platform that it was a number of years ago. It's taking it and making sure you're utilizing your book on a whole bunch of different platforms. So Kindle publishing is alive and is kicking and fighting as it ever has been. In fact, I'd even argue it's better than it has been because the people, the publishers out there who are just looking for the loopholes and you know, producing the low quality crap are disappearing, you know, faster than day. It's the publishers that are sticking around, that are producing quality, that are building more of an authority, building more of a brand for themselves. These are the ones that are starting to make themselves known on Amazon. So it's better than ever. Get started. If you're looking for more information on this, you can check out, I got a free 5-step guide that'll kind of point you in the right direction of what you need to know to really get started with Kindle publishing. I'll make sure it's the first link in the description, so just check that out. But hey, if you're brand new, please make sure you introduce yourself in the comments, say hi, and connect with me all over social media. And please consider subscribing if you want more great Kindle publishing videos like this. Till next time, everyone, speak to you all soon. Take care.